5'6", who it is with them Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry, homie, I just wanna be alone. 5'6", who it is with them Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry.
Yer. What up, YouTube?
Hello, motherfucker.
Long time no see. Today, gonna work on my front fitment a little bit. See if we can get another inch out. So yeah, I bought some new springs off of Broadway static suspension. They're 4-inch 18K springs. And let me see, what I explained in the last video, I think, was that I had the 20K springs from Stance USA. Those are 6 inches tall. I'll show you the difference once I get everything taken apart. As you see, I've got the car in here and the front already raised up. About to jack up the side and raise up the back so I can rotate the tires and see if I can match this rear to the driver's side, because the driver's side is actually like 1/4 of an inch lower than the passenger side is. So see if I can readjust and match this side. But yeah, let's get it. Alright, you guys, so here's a look at the current setup. So these are Rev 9 Hyper Street 2 coilovers, and these come with 2 locking rings. I've took one out, so I'm just running this main one here, and I don't have any preload, so this is how much slack I have in the spring with the car jacked up in the air. It is completely fine once you drop the car down on the ground. So, but yeah, anyways, like I said, these are 6-inch 20K springs, and I need to go a little bit lower. So yeah, these do have camber adjustments with the top hats, just like the BC Racing coilovers. As you see there, it's not maxed out. I may add a little bit more camber in today, or I may wait till I get some different wheels. Because if you guys look here where the sway bar and link is supposed to go, there's only but so much room. I would need to clearance it. As you see, it has been rubbing a little bit. So yeah, I may add a little bit more. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, brief overview of how to get the coilover out. Got a I think it's a triple square bit right here. I'll give you guys the actual size in a second. I gotta go find it, because I can't remember from when I did the coilover swap. You got a nut a nut here on the other end. But yeah, I'll get you guys the sizes here in a second. Alright, so here's what you need. The nut is an 18mm deep. Definitely need this right here. This is a strut spreader tool. You can get this off of eBay, Amazon for pretty cheap. And this here, M14. Got this off of Amazon as well for pretty cheap. So yeah, those are the 3 main tools that you will need to get your strut or coilover out of the knuckle. And for future reference, if you guys are going from stock suspension and doing coilovers for the first time on your car, word of advice, as you guys seen, I've got the sway bar end links out, but when removing the OEM suspension, of course you remove the sway bar and the end links, and you will need to remove the axle from the hub, so that way you can have enough play to drop the whole hub down and slide the strut out of the knuckle. So yeah, just remove that bolt there, and it's pretty simple, straightforward. Shoot, that bolt, I can't remember the size. I'll throw it up on the screen once I find it. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so got the coil all taken apart. So these are the new Johnnies from Broadway Static. These are 4-inch 18K. These are the current ones that I was running for the past what, 6 to 8 months. These are 7-inch 20Ks from Stance USA. I could have sworn I had bought the 6-inch ones. These are the OE 8K springs that come on the Rev 9 coilovers. These are freaking brand new out of the box, never ran. As soon as I opened the box, I put these bad boys on. And I could have sworn, like I said, these were the 6 inches that I ordered. But I think what had happened was they didn't have any in stock, and I was forced to buy these. And I had no clue that they were this close in height. Like, it's literally 1/4 of an inch of a difference. I was always wondering why the fronts wasn't as low as I was wanting them to be on these springs. And now I see them side by side. I should have looked at that when I did the coilover install, but I didn't even pay attention to it. But, bruh, we definitely gonna be low in the front now, so I'm more than likely gonna have to put that second locking ring in and do some more adjusting than what I had thought. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a few. Alright, so here's what it's looking like. So I did just leave the coilover hooked up on the top and just undid the whole bottom. So this is exactly how it came apart. This little ring here sits on top of that. Then this, and then of course the spring. Make sure you guys, keep your threads clean so you don't have like corrosion or any kind of binding or anything like that. And I am gonna put some anti-seize on the threads, just a little bit. That way we keep everything, you know what I'm saying, spinning freely when we need it to be. Take care of your coilovers, guys. Take care of your coilovers. Hold on, bruh. Hold on, bruh. Damn! Hey, yo. This ain't even maxed out. But I'm gonna have to raise it just a tad bit more because these fenders aren't rolled yet. And that bad boy, where is that? There you go. That screw right there for the fender liner is literally sitting right on the tire. So I may add a touch of camber, but like I said, I don't have much room to play with that mount sticking out as far as it is to the body. And I think the wheel is slightly turned anyway. But yeah. Sheesh. This is about where I wanted it to sit at, to match the rears for the time being, until I get some deep dish wheels for my hot boy setup. But yeah. Sheesh. sheesh. And like I said, this isn't even maxed out. And I put that that other locking ring in. So yeah. Let me play around with this some more and update you guys in a second.
Cigarette, I'm tripping. That shit on my bitches. Taking my dose, I never skip it. Still in my hood, a pistol gripping. Still got 100 blunts. Got that paper up in my cup. Still with a bitch in a cuddle. Still with my dick in a guts. Yeah, Widow the king of the great self. Parker, don't fuck with valet. Sheesh.
Alright, you guys, so it's currently a new day. And this is pretty much what we're looking like. This is the new height here. Not too bad. I'm getting ready to take this front lip off though, because last night during the test drive, when I was pulling out of my driveway, I busted up some more. And as you see, the middle piece is missing. And that happened like, I think 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago now. Freaking dead deer was in the road. And I tried to miss it. It was a heavy foggy day, or foggy morning. And I seen it at the last minute. Like I said, it was already dead and halfway flattened out. So I barely missed like the biggest part of it, and that was the result. Missing, lost that, but yeah. So it's no big deal that I went ahead and destroyed the rest of this. I was already planning on getting a new lip anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking that off, and I still gotta mess with the fenders more and clearance it, due to the fact that there is like, I poured it a little bit, but I need to mess with it some more. There's just barely clearance between right here where this screw is and my tire, and when I turn, it's doing some rubbing like right up in here. So I need to get this flattened out.
Bitch, stop asking. Came up supporting my family. Just for that they should give me a Grammy. Running the dog in the slammer. Thinking about cocking the hammer. The lights, the glitter, the glamour. None of this shit even matter. None of this shit make me happy. Went up in rehab instead of a casket, locking me up in they had the rooms padded. Magistrate checking my fashion. Ripping that motherfucker grammar. Ripping up money that color soul. Singing out loud another bitch. You thinking that I'm a lover? No. Reason I keep on shrugging blunt is cash. Let's keep on coming on it. We get me from bugging it, from seeking out more destruction. I'm a promise of time, but I don't know that these bitches want me to fly them out just because I am the glow. All these fly boys wanna be me, but they keep it on the low and talk shit about me and my cousin while we down and through I go. All this fame is such a curse. Sometimes I wish I was a ghost. Watch me raise the fucking dead next time I'm on stage at a show. Haunted, 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 haunted. Can't escape my mind. It's like I'm doing time all the time. Exhausted, lost it. Just one little line. Have this talk with God all the time. Yeah, haunted, haunted. Can't escape my mind. It's like I'm doing time all the time. Exhausted, lost it. Just one little line. Have this talk with God all the time. Yeah. All the time, all the time, yeah, time, yeah, time, yeah, time, yeah.
Alright, you guys, so there you have it. There's the finished product. It's legit. Sitting how I want it to sit for now. Yeah. If I wanted to go any lower than this, which like in the future, like I said, I do plan on doing the full-on like hot boy setup here soon, hopefully by summertime. So yeah, I'll be adding like more camber in the front, going a little bit more lower, and probably more camber in the rear as well. But yeah, we'll talk about that when the time comes. Like I said, I'm pushing for hopefully summertime, but we'll see how things work out. It might be sooner, maybe later, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Be easy.
Roses are red, the chopper go fa-fa. When I laugh at 3 a.m. you hear
Abunda la caca. Hey. This a YouTube beat. It's a one take J YG type beat. I'm finna go up though. I don't give a fuck. I like it though. You know what I'm saying? Sue me, bitch. Hey, okay though. Hey, my mama mad at me 'cause I'm thugging.